Hello, it's Jim Games here once again and welcome to this new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to play video media files inside Unreal Engine. So yeah, let's get started. So first let's create a new folder called media. Let's open it. Now you want to import your media file and you want to use the MP4 format. That at least works perfectly. Okay, let's move it to here. Now what we want to do, we want to right click and we want to go to the media and we want to create a media player. Now video output media texture asset. Let's press OK and now it will export this media texture asset. Now what we want to do next is we want to create some kind of wall that we can use as a screen. So shapes, cube, let's move this cube to around here, lift up, let's scale it to be bigger, and yeah, something like that. That's good. Now we want to right click on our media texture and create a material. Now we can get this material and move it to here, to this cube, basically. Okay, let's save. Next thing, we actually have to play the video. So we can go to any blueprint and do it there, but I will go to the level blueprint because that's the easiest one for now. And now let's create a begin play event. And from here, what we want to do, we want to actually create a new variable. Let's call this player or media player or whatever. Let's search for a media player object reference like this. Let's compile. And now we have to select the default value, which is the new media player or the one that we just created. Now we want to get this variable or this reference. From here, we want to open source. And let's connect it here. Now we have to select our media source. So memes, no copyright. This is the video that I imported. Let's select that. Let's compile. Let's save. Let's go back to the level. And now when we play on a new editor window, we will see it working. Yeah, simple as that. So yeah, hope you liked the video. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one.